What's up, my YT homies? This is Alethea coming in at you with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you the small bit of items that I got from the Sephora VIB sale. So if you're interested in seeing what I picked up or what I ordered, then please continue to watch. Now, in my intro, I said the small bit of items that I got from Sephora because let me tell y'all, I had intentions of getting more items than what I got. I definitely did. But Sephora pissed me off. And let me tell y'all how they pissed me off. Okay, so every year I'm VIB for Sephora, but for some reason this year, I guess I've done my fair share of shopping, but I made it to the point to getting Rouge. All I needed to spend at this one point was $140 something to make Rouge, right? $140 something. I go into the store to make a purchase and it was over $100. I can't even remember exactly what it was because once I made that purchase, all I needed to do was purchase $27 more to end up having my Rouge. So I'm like, okay, so the girl in the store, she's a friend of mine. She helps me out and she works in the Sephora. So she gave me the number. She told me to call them to get my points on there. Bam, boom, bow. Okay. I call. So the lady said, I'm putting it in your account that you know, I can't add this just like this because of the system in now, but I'm going to make a notation in your account. So all you have to do once you spend that $27 is give us a call back. And once you give us a call back, then the representative can go ahead and add and put your Rouge on it and you'll be Rouge. Okay. So what your girl did? I went ahead and I made $41 purchase. So I called Sephora like she said. And when I told the representative, he tells me I can't do anything on my end. Gave me the email to email the section or the people that are responsible for the Rouge setup. So I would have to email them a picture of my receipt. Good thing for me, I kept my receipt. I had to email them a picture of my receipt despite the fact of it being noted in my account. Now, despite, once again, the fact that it being noted in my account, I had to still send a picture. So I sent a picture and an email, and I'll send you, I'm going to insert that here because I should have that email still. So I sent them the email, right? But they didn't get back in time and get it updated in time for me to get the 20% on Rouge. So by the time they got it back updated, and my status changed from VIB to Rouge, it was on the 13th and the sale ended on the 11th. So now I only got a few items at the 15% because I wanted my 20%, which I kind of shot myself in the foot because I made another purchase with another company that I wanted to make with Sephora, but I was mad about the 20%. And I'll tell y'all about that in another video. But in this one, let me just show y'all the few rinky-dink things I got from the Sephora VIB sale. So the first thing I got is this Glam Glow facial cleansing wash. If y'all know, if you recall, I got this facial cleansing wash the first time in a BoxyCharm box. And this right here would be my fourth container, I believe. I purchased another container. My aunt gave me one, and then yeah, I have this one. And I purchased, is this a fourth or fifth one? Either way it goes, it's a fourth or fifth one. Because what I do is I clean my face twice at night and I clean my face once in the morning. So I don't go through it pretty fast, but I kind of, you know, I clean my face. I make sure my face is clean. So I think I may use this up in like a month and a half or something like that. So yeah. Really loving this. Next thing I got, I did purchase a Bite Beauty lipstick, and the only reason I purchased this Bite Beauty lipstick was because of the fact that I was trying to, it says infuse, is this a lipstick? I was trying to, you know, make sure my purchase was where it needed to be and not with tax and all that kind of stuff. Plus the lipstick was on sale. So here's what it looks like. This would have been a very good color for me to have on this morning. I love Bite Beauty products because I like the way they smell. So there it is right there. That was what I made with the first purchase, and I did go back and make a second purchase, and the second purchase I made was actually because of the creative lady, because she kept buying and showing these Kat Von D lipsticks that Sephora had for $5 buckaroos. So I bought a few of them, and let's see, what colors do I have? I have a color called Dazzle. So let's see what Dazzle looks like. Okay, so here's a tube. Oh, that's going to be really pretty. Are these liquid lipsticks or are these just like regular lipsticks? Let's see. Yeah, they're liquid lipsticks. It's Everlasting Glimmer Veil. That's the color of Dazzle. And I don't need any lip products, to be totally honest, but they're for $5, so I went ahead and I got them. And then this next one is Rocker, and this one I think is like a mauve color. I'm a fan of mauve lipsticks. Now that looks more orange than mauve. I'm gonna have to try these out. So there's the second one. The last one is a color called Razzle, and this one I think is more of a purple. So let's see what this one looks like. Purple is my favorite color, but I'm not a big fan of purple on my lips. So we'll see. And there's Razzle. If I don't like Razzle on my lips, then I will give Razzle away. So those are the lippies. And then of course, per Sephora, I have some samples, which is no biggie. That is it for this haul. I really wanted my Sephora VIB sale to be much bigger than this because there were a couple of other items that I wanted to get, but I did not get them. One of the items being something from Fenty, but that's okay. I did get the other item and I ordered it from Fenty, not during their sale. I let it be a loss without getting that 15% discount because at this point I was a bit livid at the fact of what they did, so kind of shot myself in the foot, but nonetheless it's okay. Yeah, so with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Thank you so much for coming to watch another one of my videos. I do appreciate it. So until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye.